Hello, my name is Trina, and welcome to the Enjoy the Abundant Life channel. I live in Southern California, Zone 10, and today I'm going to be repotting my rosemary and thyme. I grew them from seeds. They've been in the house all this time. I planted it. Well, I started the seed maybe, it's several months ago, and it's time to put them outside. And I'm trying to find the right spot to put them in so they will not burn up this summer. It's time to transplant my thyme and rosemary outside. They are starting to look a little scarce and dried out. I found these cute pots at Winco. It's a grocery store here in California, and they were only $19.99 each. I thought they were just beautiful. So I'm going to put my herbs in here. I started both the thyme and rosemary last year, and I was first going to just keep them indoors and just, pick off the plants when I needed it. And I did that for a while. But then I realized they were getting stunted in this pot that they were in. And I decided to get these two pots to put the rosemary in one and the thyme in the other and just bring them right on outside to see how they would grow outdoors. So in this veggie pod, I have squash, plants, and then I think I have 2 zucchini plants. And next to this veggie pod, I have another one with the leftover celery I had in the Vigo garden bed, and then I think I have a couple of more squash plants. I do not have tags for those. So here's a little update on my tomato plants that I planted in my Vigo garden beds. I just need to water them today and probably fertilize early next week. Here's a peek of my other tomatoes and marigolds and basils that I just planted a few days ago. I'm harvesting my final 2 Lore's Italian garlic bulbs. I really love the flavor, and I'm definitely going to grow this again in the fall. I will be harvesting my other garlic probably here in the next week or 2. I am looking at basically all the different varieties of garlic that I have grown pretty much every 5 to 7 days to see where they are at. So hopefully soon. Here are my onions. I finally successfully grew them from seeds, and they are now bulbing. So I pulled these because they are starting to flower. So they're very small, so I can pull them out. And then I have to pull this wheat too that comes with the straw. To pull that out. And look, here's some more. When you buy the natural, I got all natural straw in here. Has a little wheat seeds in it. And they look like the onions because they're matching the onion. There's a lot in here. So, oh, here's some more. Last year I had way more wheat than that, but now it's time to water everything. I'm watering my tomatoes. I have a jalapeno pepper in here. I have also a poblano pepper in here. Roma tomatoes, basil, marigolds, and I have a few carrots tucked in the right-hand corner. Here's a final view of my garden. I added a couple of tomato plants under the tent, and I arranged my other herbs with the other pots. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.